Okay, let us go to our topic, application software for CSS. Software application types. So what are the different types of software application? So I have here five, five software application types. Let us go to the first one. So we have business. Okay, for business we have office packages. So when we say office packages, meron tayong doc for documents, PPT para sa presentation files, XLS, uh, spreadsheet files, and PDF for yung mga ebook natin, all-in-one office set. Okay, or office suite. Next type, we have graphics and multimedia. Okay, so for usually the software application is AutoCAD or 3D Max. And when we say graphics, we can use Adobe Photoshop or Illustrator. And then multimedia, we have softwares for film, TV, web, blog, contacts, etc. Okay. Usually for media, we have Adobe Premiere, okay, uh, Camtasia, and others. Okay. Let's go now for the third type of software application. We have home, personal, or educational. Okay, that is a dictionary or encyclopedia. For software or encyclopedia type, we have Wikipedia, a dictionary, and we can search always on Google. And then for educational, we have LMS or Learning Management System. And we have different kinds of LMS in our school. This is school namin, gamit namin na LMS doon ay Moodle. Okay? And others, ang gamit po nila is Canvas. And yung iba naman po, usually Google Classroom. Meron din tayong Bridge, Blackboard, Drupal, Instructure, Schoology, at marami pang iba, okay, na LMS. Okay? Now, let's go to the fourth software application type, that is communication. Okay, we have Skype, Yahoo Chat, and then we have Google Talk, and then BC. Okay, personally, I use Facebook Messenger for my communication needs. Okay, and then yung panghuli, yung panglima po, we have utility programs such as antivirus, CD or DVD burning, etc. Examples of utility programs, we have ABG antivirus, K-Lite codec for multimedia players, Treeline for system information. We have some alarm, okay, Google Chrome add-ins, CC Cleaner, okay, for improving the performance of our computer. We have WordPress for blog, okay, this is Rebon installer. We have for this defragmentation, okay, display fusion, Avira antivirus, Spybot, okay, program for searching spyware, hardware for, of course, for adwares, CD burner, Zoom, and there's a lot more other than this. Okay, and those are my software application types. So in this video or topic, I have discussed the different types of software applications. Okay, so software application types, and for the next topic or video, I will discuss the common features of application softwares. Okay, that's it, and bye for now.